In this video, we will start a new poem from your Cambridge book, that is Dear Mum. Mum, this word is referred for mother. Okay. So, the poet of this poem is Brian Patton. First, we will finish this warm up part. So, let us read first. Look at these pictures and say what the children are doing. How would you be punished if you did this? Okay. So here some pictures are shown. Let us see what these children are doing. Okay. So let us discuss each and every picture one by one. Okay. So see, in this first picture, a boy is about to fly paper planes standing on a chair. Okay. In this picture, second picture, a boy has cut part of his hair and his scalp is visible. See, his scalp is visible. He has cut some hairs of his some of his hairs. Okay. Now let us discuss the third picture. A boy is about to throw an orange. Let us see the fourth image. See, a baby has balanced itself on the stool to grab the jar of candy. Okay. Now let us discuss this picture. A boy is making strange faces. Okay. See, and now let us see this last picture. A boy has scribbled on his father's face while he was sleeping. Okay. See, have you seen all the pictures carefully? So all the children are very mischievous, notorious. Mischievous means badmash, agao. Okay. So all these children are very mischievous boys. Okay. So this poem is also about one mischievous boy. Okay. So we will see the poem. We will discuss the poem. Before starting the poem, I will just tell you the background of this poem. Okay. And then we will discuss the poem line by line. So see, the speaker of the poem is a mischievous boy. Okay, खूप आगाऊ आणि खूप बदमाश मुलगा आहे या पोएमचा स्पीकर. Okay, so he might be of your age. So what happens, once his mother went outside, okay, and he was alone at home. So he does many disasters at home like the children. Okay. So even you can understand what he does at home by looking at this picture. Okay. See what he does when he was alone at home. See, he breaks the cup. See here the pieces of cup is shown. He breaks the cup and flower pot. He keeps the tap turned on. He keeps the tap turned on, and due to that the sink overflows. See how the sink is overflowing. Okay. After that he puts his dirty fingerprints on kitchen wall. See, he keeps his Jam's fingerprint on the kitchen wall. After that, you know what he does? He does very strange and very strange thing. See, you can understand from this picture. He puts the cat inside the washing machine and then he turns on the washing machine. See how this boy was so mischievous. Then you know what he does? Then he puts his sister's pet rabbit into waste disposal unit. And you know, even what he does, after playing outdoor, he keeps his muddy footprints on the new white carpet. Okay. So this boy is very mischievous. He does many disasters in absence of his mother when his mother went outside. Okay. So at the end what happens, at the end what he does, he was very scared of his mother, he was afraid of his mother, he thought that his mother would be very angry at him. So he what he does, he writes a letter in the form of poem, okay, and he keeps that letter at home, and he runs away. He runs away to his grandma's house, okay, understood. He runs away at his granny's house. So this poem is that letter. This poem is that letter which he wrote to his mother in absence of his mother. Okay, so he keeps this letter at his home. Okay, now we have discussed the poem, background of this poem. So you might have understood the story or this poem. Okay, so what happens exactly? Now we'll discuss all these things line by line. Okay. See, first line. While you were out, a cup went and broke itself. Okay. So what is saying, mom? When you were out, while you were out, a cup went and broke itself. म्हणजे तो काय म्हणतो, कप तू जेव्हा बाहेर होती त्यावेळेस एक कप गेला आणि त्याचा तुटला. ओके. ही broke the cup, but he is blaming some unknown person. Okay. See next line. A crack appeared in the blue vase your great great granddad brought back from Mr. Ming in China. Okay. See, he's saying a crack appeared in the blue vase. So what is meant by blue vase? Blue is a color and vase means a flower pot. Okay. So a crack appeared on the flower pot or blue vase. So that blue vase was brought by great great granddad of her mother from China. Okay, from China, from Mr. Ming in China. Okay, see, he even breaks that flower pot also, which was brought by her mother's great great granddad. Okay, from China. And here Mr. Ming word is there, so that here meaning is also given. See, means that vase is called that vase was a very famous Ming vase from the China. Okay, but as he was very little child, so he calls it a Mr. Ming. Okay, now let us discuss these lines. See, somehow without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Okay, what is saying? Somehow without me even turning on the tap, okay, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Okay, so he's saying not me, without me even someone turn on the tap, and the sink means basin. See here you can see the image. This someone turn on the tap and the sink, the basin, which is mysteriously overflowing. Mysteriously means secretly. Okay, so he's saying that basin is also overflowing because someone turned on the tap. He has done all those things, but he is blaming some unknown person. He is not saying that I did only all these mischievous things. He is blaming some unknown person. Understood? So see, now let us discuss this. A strange jam stain. A strange jam stain. What is saying? A strange jam stain about the size of a boy's hand appeared on the kitchen wall. See, stain means what? Stain means spot of a dirt. Okay, spot of a dirt. Okay, but here see, a strange jam means jam which we eat. Okay, jam spot. Okay, about the size of boy's hand means जामचा हात मीन्स त्याचा फिंगरप्रिंट असतो तो किचनच्या वॉलवर असतो. ओके, सी हियर यू कॅन सी his even he puts his jam fingerprint on the kitchen wall. Okay, but he doesn't say that he did that. What he says, a strange jam stain about the size of boy's hand appeared on the kitchen wall. Okay, so he blames some unknown person for all those mischievous things. Okay, see, let us discuss these lines now. I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine, especially from inside. Okay, he's saying I don't think we will ever able to find that how the cat has turned on the washing machine from inside. See how mischievous that child was. He himself puts the cat inside the washing machine. He turn on the washing machine and he's saying we will not ever able to find that how the cat turn on the washing machine. Okay, so he did only that, and he's saying he is blaming someone else. Okay, see, now let us discuss these lines. Or how this pet rabbit went and mistook the waste disposal unit for a bureau. Okay, what is saying? See, listen carefully. What is saying? Uh, See, or how sis pet rabbit. Sis means his sister's pet. Pet म्हणजे पाळलेला rabbit. Okay, pet rabbit. His sister's pet rabbit went and mistook. Went means गेला. Went and mistook. चुकीने the waste disposal unit for a bureau. Okay, waste disposal unit means what? It is an electronic device which is fixed below the sink, बिलो द किचन सिंक. ओके, म्हणजे किचनचं जे बेसिन असतं त्याच्या खाली एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिव्हाइस फिक्स केलेलं असतं. सो व्हॉट इज द यूज ऑफ दॅट वेस्ट डिस्पोजल युनिट? दॅट इज कॉल्ड वेस्ट डिस्पोजल युनिट. ते वेस्ट डिस्पोजल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक युनिट काय करतं? जे किचन सिंकमध्ये जे वेस्ट अटकलेलं असतं, इट cuts all those waste into the small pieces. Okay, that is called the waste disposal unit. Okay, so he is saying that त्याच्या सिस्टरचा जो पेट रॅबिट आहे तो त्या वेस्ट डिस्पोजल युनिटमध्ये चुकून ॲज अ ब्युरो मीन्स जे रॅबिटचं जे होल किंवा टनेल असतं ग्राउंडमध्ये रॅबिटनी बनवलेलं. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ब्युरो. तो म्हणतोय की त्याच्या सिस्टरचा पेट रॅबिट त्या वेस्ट डिस्पोजल युनिटमध्ये चुकून घुसला, त्याचा ब्युरो समजून, त्याचा होल समजून. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. बट इन ॲक्ट सो in reality what happened, he himself puts that rabbit into that waste disposal unit. Okay, understood. But he is blaming someone else, some unknown person, for all those mischievous things. Okay, see here he is saying I can tell you I was scared when, as if by magic, a series of footprints appeared on the new white carpet. I was being good. Being good means honest. Okay, he's saying a series of muddy footprints. A series of muddy footprints means what? See here, image is shown. You will be able to see. No, I think here image is not there. See, he's saying series of muddy footprints. Muddy footprints म्हणजे चिखलाचे जे पाय असतात, फुटप्रिंट्स असतात, ते कुठं? व्हाईट कार्पेटवर, न्यू व्हाईट कार्पेटवर आहेत. ओके, पण ते कसे आलेत? यू नो, बिकॉज ही प्लेड आउटसाइड, ही प्लेड आउटडोअर, अँड व्हेन ही केम इनसाइड विथ मडी फुटप्रिंट्स, दोज हिज फुटप्रिंट्स appeared on the white carpet. But he is hiding. He is saying a series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. I was being good. I was very honest. But I think the house is haunted. So, okay, he is saying those house is haunted. See here, meaning is given. Haunted means what? Haunted means like see, where a ghost is supposed to live, where ghost lives. Okay, he is saying those footprints, त्या फुटप्रिंट ज्या असतील त्या माइट बी घरामध्ये घोस्ट राहत असेल किंवा घोस्टच्या असतील. ओके, ही इज सेइंग लाईक दॅट. ओके, बट ही हिमसेल्फ डीड दॅट. ओके, ही इज ब्लेमिंग सम अननोन पर्सन, ही इज ब्लेमिंग अदर्स. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. बिकॉज ही न्यू दॅट if his mother sees all those things, then he will be punished. Okay, so he is afraid of his mother. Okay, see at the end what he is saying, knowing you are going to have a fit means angry, very angry. Okay, so he is saying knowing you are going to be angry at me by seeing all these things, I have gone over a grants for a bit. Okay, grants means grandma, granny. Okay, He's saying, knowing you are going to be angry at me, you are going to be extremely angry at me, so I'm going to granny's house, okay, for a bit, means for some time, okay, understood. So how this boy is so mischievous, he does many disasters at his house in absence of his mother, okay, and he wrote one letter and he keeps it at his house, okay, understood. So here this poem is completed. So we will stop here. If you like this, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe the videos, okay. So we will stop here. Bye, have a great day.